In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autoresponder email in Jotform. An autoresponder is the automatic email that goes to the person who submits your form, perfect for confirmations, receipts, or a simple thank you. We'll set one up so every submission gets a clear, professional reply. Start by opening the form you want to use. Sign into your Jotform account, go to My Forms, and click Edit on the form you'd like to work with. That opens the form builder. Next, head into the form settings. At the top of the builder, click Settings, then choose Emails from the left sidebar. This is where you manage all automated messages connected to your form. Add the autoresponder by clicking the plus add email button and select autoresponder. This option is specifically for your respondent, not for internal notifications to you or your team. Now tell Jotform who should receive it. Under Send To, pick the email address field from your form, such as email or contact email. It needs to be the actual email input your visitors complete. Otherwise, the system won't know where to send the message. Let's customize the email so it reflects your brand. In From Name, enter your name or business name. For From Email, use a valid address you monitor so people can reply if they have questions. Keep the subject clear and friendly. Something like, "Thanks for your submission," tends to perform well and avoids spam triggers. In the email content, write a short message confirming you received their entry and outlining what happens next. To personalize it, use smart fields directly in the body, such as #name to address the person, submission ID for an easy reference number, and form title to remind them which form they completed. Personalization improves clarity and trust. Consider adding a simple signature with your business details and hours, and keep the tone consistent with your brand. Avoid overly promotional language in the subject or body, as that can impact deliverability. When everything looks right, save your work. Click Save, and make sure the autoresponder is enabled. If there's a toggle, it should be switched on so the email actually sends with every submission. That's it. With the autoresponder in place, your form will acknowledge submissions automatically, giving your respondents confidence that their information reached you and setting the tone for next steps. If you update your form later, remember to revisit this message to keep it accurate and aligned with your current process.